school at the gym. Unless I get a Stanley cup filled with water. It is very hard to build. Doing that heavy is very heavy weights like that. Is she just gonna humiliate us on purpose? You can, even if you can bench him to look like the. I don't care how strong you are. Girl, what about you? Put her on that bar. I don't even think she.
That's fine. I can do it.
Yeah. Peter. There, doing her little Pilates princess workout. I'm sorry. Much to push him to the breaking point. I look okay. Right. Couple hair. That's for the stage.
But then I found a way to.
Another satisfied. Bro, you got some big muscles. You're in charge, right?
You know, give some thought into what she said.
I mean, if you go to one high school, can you just transfer to another? Ooh.
Dude, chill. We were just talking about the TikTok thing. This is. How do we do that?
Seriously? First the TikTok stuff, and now this? Protein shakes. You're every single day at lunch. Strong and cheap. She's so petty just to piss her off. Right, babe? Saving this one for George. Wait, what? I'd use. She's just a bad person in general.
More competition.
Everything you need to unlock your best $14 a month. No